Okay, today it's time to change the battery on my BMW Z4. The battery is not uncommon for them to last, maybe 5 years. This one is actually 10 years old and it just isn't holding a charge anymore, so it's time to swap it out. Now, for most batteries and most cars, other than BMWs for instance, you would look under the bonnet, the hood. You'd open it up, the battery would be right there. Not so. So with the Z4, the very first thing is, where's the battery? The battery is in the trunk. That's actually similar with most BMWs. They're actually in the rear. So let me show you where the battery is. First step, and then we'll take it out. There you go. Here's the trunk. This back portion, there's a little notch on the right side. You can just pull it up. That exposes, I'll just leave this in here, battery. Here you go. Now your battery probably won't have as many wires. Mine are running some additional auxiliaries straight to it. But we're going to unbolt this, unbolt this, and then there's this connector that holds the battery down in place, and this one that's a crossbar across it. So we'll just take those off. Okay, this is what it looks like with the battery not in there. And this is what the battery itself looks like. Held up a good long time, considering it's March, now it's April of 2018. It lasted. Time to get a new one, and then we'll just throw it in, same way.